Have you ever heard of open source development? You must have heard that Linux is an open source software and Python is an open source programming language. Now, what does that exactly mean? Open source software is software in which the copyright holder grants users the right to modify, use and distribute the software for any purpose. A number of companies nowadays have open source projects, and as a student, if you contribute to them, it will definitely give a spike to your resume. What is GSoc? GSoc stands for Google Summer of Code. GSoc is a global program whose aim is to encourage students to take part and contribute in open source software development and even make money along the way. It is open to all college students. GSoc is a way to acquire new skills. In GSoc, students work on a 10-week programming project with an open source organization under a mentor. As the name suggests, it is organized during the summer break of colleges. Eligibility for GSoc. The eligibility requirement of GSoc are: 1. You must be 18 years of age. 2. You should be eligible to work in the country where you reside. 3. You should be a student at an accredited institution. 4. You should not be an administrator or mentor in the program. 5. A student can participate only 2 times in GSoc. How to apply for GSoc? First, check the timelines of the GSoc program. It is released every year. The list of selected organizations is published in February. Mid-February, mid-March, students can discuss ideas with the mentors and organization. March 12th to March 27th, student application period. April, accepted student proposals are declared. June to July, coding and community bonding. August, mentors submit final evaluations and results are announced. Now let us discuss the steps to follow to apply for GSoc. Step 1, choose the organization. You should choose an organization and a project that aligns with your interest. Organization lists with the projects are published on the official website. Along with that, programming languages, frameworks are also mentioned. Do a Google search about the company and shortlist the ones that interest you. Python Software Foundation, Apache Foundation, Mozilla are a few companies that are fairly regular in GSoc. Step 2, choose the project. Each organization lists the project ideas on the official page. Prepare a list of projects that excites you. If you are not passionate enough, there are less chances of being selected. You are free to ask any queries related to the project. Once you have selected a project, check if there is enough material or documentation to help you. Then develop a plan of action regarding the project. Decide how you can contribute and talk to mentors. Mentors can give you a better understanding about the project. Step 3, prepare your proposal. Preparing a good proposal is important because companies get many proposals and you need to stand out. You should summarize your education skills and any certifications, projects that you may have done in that field. Do proper research about the project and discuss what you think about the project and how you can contribute to the open source community. Some organizations have their own templates for proposals, so make sure you follow that. You can get feedback for your proposals from other people in the community. Once you are done with the proposal, submit it and wait for the results. What are skills required to participate in GSoc? Students are often confused and doubt if they have enough technical knowledge to participate in GSoc. But the fact is, you need not be a pro in everything, but you should be passionate enough and clear about your goals. Of course, you should know the basics of computer science and at least be proficient in one programming language. Knowledge of version control systems, i.e. GitHub, is also required. You should be comfortable working in Linux as it is compatible with all development tools. Apart from this, communication skills are also very important for GSoc. You will be talking to different people every day regarding your ideas and progress. You will have to attend meetings on Skype and other online platforms. You also need to create documentation. Benefits of GSoc. Now the question is, what are the benefits of GSoc and why should one take part in it? 1. Through GSoc you will get to learn a lot about the open source community, the organizations and the industry relevant projects. It will give you exposure to new technologies and tools that are currently being used. It will hone your developer skills. You get to work on a live code base, so it is even better than internships at small companies. 2. Second, it will help you create a strong network with talented people and industry experts. All knowledgeable people are here for a single goal, and it is really exciting and challenging. 3. Attending GSoc strengthens your resume and provides you credibility. 4. You can also get job opportunities if people are impressed with your work and contribution. Companies like Red Hat, Uber and networking companies like Cisco give preference to grocers. 5. If your organization and project gets selected, you will be paid a stipend of $1,500. This figure can change and is available on the official website. 6. You learn teamwork, decision-making, time management and pressure handling. These skills are quite important when you get a job. 7. All successful GSoc students can apply to Google for internship or full-time opportunities once. You do not get a referral nowadays, but when you apply at Google you can be given preference because of the GSoc tag. So, GSoc is the best way to put your skills to use in a real-world scenario. The time that you spend for GSoc is worth it. Even if you are in first or second year and have enough basic skills, do not hesitate to apply. If you are passionate about coding, GSoc is a thing that you cannot afford to miss. So apply and give your best. Cantilever Labs is here to produce some more informative content. Like, share, subscribe us for more videos.